how to enable vanish mode on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application, and it will lead you here to your homepage. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to actually go here on your upper right. You will see two options there. You will see the notification icon and of course the message icon. Now, if you tap on the message icon here, now here you will see all the chat section here, and all you have to do is to choose the conversation that you want to enable the vanish mode here. For example, this conversation. Now, as you can see, I have turned on the vanish mode. Now, there are actually two ways to turn on or enable the vanish mode here. First is to just swipe up here, up until you will see this. You have turned on the vanish mode. Or the other way is to actually tap on the person's name and go here to privacy and safety and enable vanish mode here. And if you go back here to your chat section, you have now enabled the vanish mode. And basically that's it. That's how you enable vanish mode on Instagram, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.